Hello everyone, this is Sam from DATEC Studios. In this video, we will create a simple button in Photoshop. So first, create a new document. For width and height, something like 1000 by 300 and 300 dpi. Create. I select rounded rectangle tool from shapes and create a rectangle. Now you could set roundness of corners easily and double click on the thumbnail, change the color, okay, and the color you like. Also, we could add borders from toolbar, stroke, and select any stroke you like, maybe darker, same color but darker. Something like that, and decrease the stroke width. I think something around 5 could be fine. Alright, create new layer, hold on the Control or Command key and click on your rounded rectangle layer thumbnail. I pick the white for foreground and background color, enable gradient tool, open the gradient types from the basic, foreground to transparent, linear, make sure your transparency option is enabled, click and drag, hold on the shift key to draw a straight line. Alright, something like that. If you like your gradient have less expanded on button, go to select menu, modify, and contract. Maybe something around 5 pixels. Alright. Now invert your selection and delete, or simply create a mask. Better to change blending mode, something like screen, decrease opacity. Also for bottom side, if you want to make more glossy. If you like to make more glossy, again create a new layer below the gradient highlight and choose any color you like, maybe similar to current color, okay, and again click and drag, hold on the shift key. Alright, hold on the Alt or Option key to copy the mask, and you could change the blending mode any type you like, maybe something like overlay or vivid light, and anytime if you need, you could press Ctrl or Command U and change the color. Even more saturation and lightness, totally depends on you. I think something like that, better. Still, you could change the blending mode to get different results. And simply you could create a text, white color, click and type subscribe, Control A to select all and decrease the size. Okay. Control Alt Command T, resize. And of course you could change type with the style or stroke. I double click on any empty area of the layer. Stroke, outside, much less value, something like that. Maybe dark red, okay. And still you could decrease opacity. Also you could enable bevel emboss and decrease the size, okay. And you could move it below these layers. Because we need transparency information, so hide background layer, this is transparent, and save it with transparency for web. To do that, go to File menu, Export, and save for web legacy. or hold on the Alt Shift Control or Option Shift Command on Mac and press S. Here for saving web, select from the format section PNG 24 and it is fine, and save. Subscribe button 001, and that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.